Hi, I'm here today to show you how to get to the tech transfer feature here in QbDVision. You're first going to go into your project. From there, you're going to click on your process. This has brought up our default view of the 500 liter process that's already in our system. And to transfer from this and make it our sending site, we're going to copy this process. You'll simply type here and rename it based on perhaps your new site or your new scale. For our purposes today, I've already created that. Our new scale is called the 1,000 liter process. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to edit the last draft. You'll notice here this checkbox for enabling receiving from the 500 liter process. You'll want to make sure that that is checked off, and then you'll be ready to go to the tech transfer function. I'll close out of here. I'm going to go back to my drop-down box, click Tech Transfer Assessment, and QbDVision is going to generate the report. This one is showing us the differences under the unit operation thal working cell. Well, since we have no data in this particular field, it's not showing anything. So let's change it to one where I have some data to show you. Under production culture, I'm right now looking at all the differences in the process parameters. I can also use this drop-down box and look at material attribute changes, process component changes, and materials. Let's just choose one. Let's look at process components. You'll see the different changes from my 500 liter process to the 1,000 liter process here in this column. It's showing you that the production bioreactor has changed from a Thermo Fisher to a GE Healthcare. If I click on the hot link for 7 changes, I can then look at the detailed comparison of those. These columns are going to show me on an element by element basis all the different changes that have taken place and the risk that's associated with each. Leaving that report, I can use this button here and I can choose to manage the columns that I'd like to see. For instance, maybe I don't need the comment feature on. I might not need the risk mitigation strategy turned on at this moment. I would apply that to this and it would change the view that we're looking at. I can also take this same report and export it via Excel so that I can use it in perhaps other reports for the company. Now, these are just the basics of the tech transfer. It's a very simple and efficient way to do your gap analysis on an element by element basis. Please let us know if you have any further questions.